There are wounds people never see, hurts you never mention, battles you never speak of. Not because you're weak, but because you've learned to survive quietly. But today, Jesus whispers to your heart, I see the wounds you hide, and I am healing them one by one. This message is for the soul that is hurting silently, but still hoping for peace. Some pain is loud, it breaks you publicly, but some pain is silent. It sits deep inside your chest, behind your smile, beneath your strength. And these are the wounds Jesus cares about the most, because he knows they're the ones that keep you awake at night. Jesus says, I'm closer to you than the pain you cannot describe. You may not tell anyone what you're feeling. You may not know how to express the heaviness inside. You may not understand why certain memories still hurt. But Jesus understands every detail of your heart. No tear goes unnoticed. No silent prayer goes unheard. No hidden wound is ignored. Jesus does not heal the surface. He heals the deep places. The places you avoid. The places you don't want to remember. The places you thought you could never recover from. When life breaks you quietly, God restores you gently. He doesn't rush your healing. He walks with you through it. There will come a day when you look at your scars and say, this used to hurt me, but God made me stronger. Your past will not control you. Your pain will not define you. Your wounds will not be your identity. Jesus is touching the parts of your heart you stopped believing could ever feel whole again. He says, where you feel empty, I will fill you with peace. Where you feel weak, I will strengthen you. Where you feel broken, I will rebuild you. Healing may take time, but don't mistake delay for denial. God heals slowly sometimes because he's not just fixing your pain. He's restoring your soul. The same place where you were wounded will become the place you testify. The same story that broke you will become the story that blesses others. Your scars will become signs of God's faithfulness. You are moving from hurt to healing, from brokenness to restoration, from tears to testimony. Jesus is not just healing you. He is making you whole again. Remember this truth. God heals the deepest wounds in the quietest ways. You may not feel it instantly, but you will see it gradually. Every day, God is restoring you, strengthening you, and shaping you for something greater. If this message touched your heart, like, share, and comment below. Jesus, heal what I can't express. May God bring peace to every hidden place inside you.